हॅलो, गुड मॉर्निंग. कशे आसा तुमी सगळे? आज हांव गोवा हायकिंग एसोसिएशनाच्या ग्रुपा बरोबर ट्रॅकिंगाक आयिल्लो. हिवरे म्हणून एक गांव आसा, जो वेस्टर्न घाट आसा पळय ताजे सारके फूट हिल्स आसा पळय थंय वचलेलो आसा हिवरे म्हणून गांव. आनी थंय वॉटरफॉल्स एकदम सुपर्ब आसा. सो हे 70 तालुक्यान पडटा आनी आमी जस्ट नाव ट्रॅकाक स्टार्ट केल्या. सो मुखार चलता तो सगळो ग्रूप. सारकी पायवाट गेल्ली आसा. पावस थांबला, पावस बीन कांय ना सद्याक. पावस आयल्यार मजा, पावस आयल्यार ट्रॅकिंगाक खरी मजा येता. म्हाकाय तुगेलो फेस कट वळखीचो दिसता. म्हागेलो हांगा पंटेमळ पावर हावस आसा पळय थंय शॉप आशिल्लें पळय, शिरोडकर कॉर्नर म्हणून. मुखार भाजी बीन दवरतालो पळय हांव सारकें हेका. फर्स्ट म्हाजें शॉप आनी मागीर इमिजिएटली नेक्स्ट पावर हावस. आतां थंय जीम घातला. सो मे बी तूं पंटेमळाच्यान येतालो पळय तेन्ना बीन हें जालां.
आमी थंय रावताले मदीं पंटेमळा.
हां, पंटेमळे खंय?
ते फैजा घरा कडेन.
अरे बुलेट मेकॅनीक फयाज?
ना तो न्ही,
हां.
फैज हांगा आसता भायर आसता.
हां, कारेमड्डेर मरे.
ना तो हांगा ते पंटेमळाच.
पंटेमळच. सो दीस इज द ग्रूप. हो आमचो गायड आसा लोकल, हो आमकां गायड करतलो. आनी आमचो ग्रूप लीडर, वन ऑफ द ग्रूप, मिस्टर कपिल.
How are you? Last time we had met. Yeah, that's right.
One more topmost leader, Mr. Rupesh.
Yes sir. You are in Pune only started.
आणि कोणी उपाच्या हो झाले या
इंट्रोडक्शन होतं.
सो स्टार्ट करचे पयलीं ते इंस्ट्रक्शन्स दितले आनी ग्रुपान जे नवे आसा पळय ते इंट्रो करतले. प्रत्येक जाण आपली इंट्रो करतले. सो पावसाने मातशी गरमीशी जाल्या. बिबटे आसा हांगा?
बिबटे येता आमच्या कुत्री म्हणजे 2-4 तरी
हां येता भाई, बिबटे येता हांगा? हय. आनी कांटा जालें, कांटा लागतले. कांटा त्या सायडीन लागता.
So everyone sitting in the hotel having something. So the energy is not enough.
So Mr. Rupesh, team leader, giving instructions to the group.
Right? You have seen the 3 waterfalls, right? It depends on you. For me, no problem. We are ready to take you to all 3 places. Only depends on you people how you go up. As far as the time limit is concerned, right? So on behalf of the Goa Hiking Association, I welcome you in the village called HIVARE Khurd and HIVARE Khurd are there. Right now we are in the HIVARE Khurd. HIVARE Khurd. Khurd means big. Bolo. So there are, this is a Khurd, and to the other side it's a Burd where we have took the weed diversion. No? So there is a Burd over there. So this is a big village, that is a small village, as they believe. Right, we are going to trek today to the waterfall called HIVARE waterfall. This waterfall school. This is a part of the Western Ghats region. You can see so many waterfalls. Right, these waterfalls are named by the name of this village, HIVARE. So HIVARE waterfall. You can come from the HIVARE Khurd this side also. From Burd also you can come from that side. You can do the circular trekking also. You can come from that side and you can go out from this side, or you can go get in this side and can go out from that side. Even you can climb on the top and you can reach to the Cholla Ghat. Then the traditional pathway is there on the top. Right? And there is one village called Goleli. If you cross this mount hill and if you go to the other side, the village called Goleli. And from the Goleli, the electricity, cable electricity has taken to the Sulla village on the top, which is the last village of Goa. Right? It was in 1996. That time 1996 they took the electricity through the cable. So imagine now, yes, we can see the cable electricity is put in the cities and all this. But in 1996 the first project was done from this village to the opposite. And there is a old Portuguese road also which is coming down from the Sulla village, which is coming down to the Goleli and going to the Sandre. Okay. But now it's hardly used. As far as the trek is concerned, trek is very simple, moderate trek. Right? The distance from here to the first waterfall, you can see the bigger one is hardly around 40 minutes. For us, it is around 25 to 30 minutes. Average, if you calculate with us, then it will take around 1 hour 30 minutes to cover all three. So depend on the pace. We'll take our own time. We'll enjoy. We'll admire the beauty of the nature. Right? Simultaneously take care. The leach zones are there. Hope everyone is carrying the salt. If not, then we are having the Dettol liquid plus salt is there. Okay. As far as the team is concerned, myself, the Chandresh Naik, the Vice President of Goa Hiking Association, Mukesh Naik, the Secretary, the Goa Hiking Association, Nikhil Rawal, the Treasurer of the Goa Hiking Association. The top bearers are with you, so don't worry about your safety, and also we'll be taking the maximum care. Along with that, we have the Kapil Satarkar, okay, executive member, Angelo, Priyal, Tushar, and Ankita, the lady will be there. So if you have any doubts, you can coordinate with us. One humble request to each and everyone: if you have brought chips, chocolates, anything, okay, please don't litter anything. Right? Don't leave anything, only leave your footmarks. Right? If you feel that those chocolate wrappers are also too heavy for you, then please hand it over to us. We will be very helpful and will be happy to carry those things. Right? Our sun has come up today after 2-3 days. On the way, you might come across. So just be careful while walking. The viper, pit viper, might be, because to take a sunbath, it might come because this is a rocky face. They might come. So be careful. By chance, if you see, don't scream, don't shout. Just take a diversion. Stay 1 meter away from them and then walk. Leech. When you enter the leech zone, they might bite you. Don't get afraid, don't scream, don't shout. Put little salt, they will fall down. And they are always coming to purify you, because they are sucking just 3 drops of impure blood. Not pure, impure blood. That means they are sucking impure blood from. Only thing is that after sucking, what happens, their saliva doesn't allow the blood to clot, because they are sucking to the directly main veins, so where the pressure is more. So they doesn't allow to clot the blood, and that's why the bleeding goes on. So once by chance if the leech bites you, she sucks and she falls down, if it's bleeding, don't try to rub that part. Let it be like that only. After some time the blood will clot. Don't remove that clotted part. Okay. First aid is there with us. Okay, just give a call. If you need any help, give a call. We'll be always for your help. Right now, right from the front, Kapil, Angelo, Priya, and we are having one local with us also. Okay, we'll be leading from the front. Kapil, Nikhil will be right at the back. So I don't want anyone going ahead of the Angelo and the Priya, and no one will stay behind Kapil and Nikhil. In between myself, Mukesh, Tushar will be walking in around small group, so that will be everyone will be at the side. Please see that walk at the safer distance. Don't keep too much of gap. If there is a gap, you can't see the front person, give a call, tell them to wait, because there are lots of diversions, pathways, the animals are moving around. So by chance, if you mislead to yourself on the wrong way, then you can misguide yourself in the forest. Right? You will be putting yourself in the trouble and for us also. Huh?
Peacock.
He's calling. He's saying, come, come, I'm waiting. Okay? So should we start?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
एक काउंट घेतलो तो सर दोघांचे आमचे प्लीज गो बिटवीन मी एंड कपिल सो आई कैन काउंट
आमचा गाईड मुखार वचपा लागला. हाय.
Hello.
हाय. हॅलो. हाय.
बहुत नाही म्हणणार आता पाऊस येणार पाऊस चांगलं चांगलं चहा चांगलं
सो ग्रुप लिडर रुपेशान नेसेसरी इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स दिल्या सगळ्यांक फॉर सेफ्टी अँड सेक्युरिटी. किती प्रिकॉशन्स घेवपा जाय ते वेवस्थीत सांगले सगळ्या ग्रुपान. आनी आमी एक्चुअल ट्रेकिंगाक आतां स्टार्ट केला, वॉकिंग स्टार्ट केला आमी. सूर्य वयर येयला मळबान. ढग असल्या कारणान सारको दिश्टी पडना. कॉमेंट्री करतालो.
थंडेन फाटल्याच्यान दाढी सुजलेली मरे अजून देवना बघ कशी
ते एडिट करता रे मागीर हांव. निखिल तुका धाडटा मागीर तूं एडिट कर. फूल व्हिडिओ धाडटा तुका.
इतलें लांब नाही गेड वरतो
हांव चड व्हडलें करना. म्हागेलें मॅक्झिमम 30 मिनिट्स.
स्टार्टिंग करो
हय
मोदल लागे
हय
डायरेक्ट एंडाक
येस.
आणि कोण रावला तुम्ही
कपिल गेला न्ही सायडीन ना ना तुझं काढणं सगळे जे ग्रुप लिडर्स आसा न्ही मिस्टर रुपेश ताका चंद्रेशय म्हणटात मागीर मिस्टर निखिल देन मिस्टर मुकेश मागीर मिस्टर कपिल हे इतले सीझन्ड आनी एक्सपिरियन्स्ड आनी तांकां एक्चुअली तुमी डेर डेवील सुद्दां म्हणल्यार जाता दे आर द चॅलेंजर्स ते खंयचेय ट्रॅक करपाक भिना तांकां इतको एक्सपिरियन्स आसा ट्रॅकाचो सो हो जो गोवा हायकींग एसोसिएशनाचो ग्रूप आसा न्ही आनी हे जे तांचे लिडर्स आसा न्ही हे लिडर्स आसा म्हणल्यार कोणाकय खंयचेय टॅरराक म्हणल्यार जाता म्हणजे टॅरनाचेर ट्रॅकिंगाक वचपाक खंयच्याय जंगलान वचपाक भिरांत ना इतके ते अशे मनीस आसा हे सगळे हांवें जी नांवां घेतल्या ती आनी एक दोग तीग जाण आसा ते आपलो जीव रिस्कान घालून जे पार्टिसिपंट्स आसा पळय तांकां सेफ दवरता सो केन्नाच ते फाट म्हणटा ती दाखयना खंयची चॅलेंज आयली टास्क आयली ते फाट दाखयना आपले सामके यंग आसा एनर्जेटीक डॅशिंग आसा हे लिडर्स आमचे सो आफ्टर लॉंग ब्रेक हांव तांकां आतां परत रिजॉयन जाला सो परत रिजॉयन जावन हो म्हाजो फर्स्ट ट्रॅक सो आज आमी सत्तरी तालुक्यान हिवरे म्हणटा ते गांवान आयिल्ले सो जे वॉटरफॉल्स आसा हो समोर दिसता पळय हो सगळो वेस्टर्न घाट हाजी त्या सायडीन चोडला बीन सो ही जी माउंटन रेंज दिसता पळय ही सगळी हाजे त्या सायडीन सगळो चोडला सो बारीक बारीक वॉटरफॉल्स दिश्टी पडटात पळय आतां क्लाउडी जाला पावस स्टार्ट जाला आनी मातशे ते धुके सकयल देंवले आनी दिश्टी पडना हे पळय मातशे मदीं मदीं दिश्टी पडटा डेटोला उदकाचे देंवतात ते न्हू सो निखिल कपिल बीन फाटल्यान आसा चंद्रेश सो थोडी गर्ल्स आनी लेडीज आसा ते फाटल्यान आसा सो तांकां एस्कॉर्ट करपाक ते फाटल्यान राविल्ले रुपेश निखिल आनी कपिल सो येवपाक लागले ते आनी पावस स्टार्ट जाला आतां सो बरो वारोय व्हांवता पावसूय पडटा मातशें सनी वेदर दिश्टी पडटा सो पार्टिसिपंट्स एक क्रॉस जावपाक लागले जी फाटल्यान उरिल्ली न्ही ती क्रॉस जावपाक लागल्या
काय तुला
चल बाय सो आतां कट करता आनी मागीर परत स्टार्ट करता